The last thing you've got to keep in mind when keeping your investigation records is that you might come to the location and find that although you found it quite easily, it's not actually exactly where people explain it to be. Sometimes they go, it's in front of this mall or in front of that shop or whatever the case might be. You get and you find it's hardly in front of the shop. Certainly it's there, but it's like 500 meters down the road. It's not very close. So in those cases, you want to make a record. You want to actually write down where exactly you really found the scene. This is where those mile markers come in again, that you can perhaps be called to a scene and they can say to you, it's between this and that, and it's a single road, and you drive along the road until you find it. This is also why it's important to record your mileages, because now you can say, from our house, I traveled a total of, say, 50, 60 or 70 kilometers to the scene. You can always go back and confirm those mileages, and then you can see, but wait a minute, the scene was actually 20 kilometers along a particular road from a particular town. So it's important that your records are accurate. Your records must be detailed. Your records must include everything from the details of the caller to the time and date of the call, the time and date of your departure, the mileage on your vehicle at departure, the mileage, the time and date at any relevant point in between where delays are, the incorrect scene or whatever the case might be, and then also the date, time, mileage, and everything of your arrival, then confirmation of the scene and the place where you found it, perhaps opposite a building at or a mile marker, as we said, or whatever the case might be. So at the end of the day, when you're done, you should be able to read that and know exactly what happened on that day as far as your movement and the timeline associated with your movements are concerned.